Well, I went shopping for a suit the other day. I walked down to the department store. I walked off the elevator and I told the girl dry goods floor. When I got off, a man walked up. He said, "What can I do for you?" I said, "Show me on them sports clothes like you're supposed to." He said, "Sure, man, come on in, dig these fashions laying on the shelf. Pick one out, try it on, stand in the mirror and dig yourself." Buddy, that suit is you. Yeah, I believe it too. I see for the businessman you offer the wholesale, retail indeed. It's got the walking short and the custom cuff, you get it at a steal. For the playboys, the latest in tweed with a cutaway flap on twice. That's a box back 2-button western model, ain't that nice? Man, that suit is pure herringbone. Yeah, those buttons are solid gold. Man, that's a suit I've got to own. You made a deal, man, so. You know, I didn't have any money, you know, but I had to get that suit out of the store somehow, right? So I walked up and I said, "Hey, man, now you give me that paper and I'll sign on the dotted line and I'll make sure that I get every payment in right on time." He said, "Wait a minute, buddy, let me run a check on you." He came back and he said, "Sorry, but your credit don't go through." A shame. My heart's in pain. I got a real good job. Why can't I get no credit? That suit was pure herringbone. That's a suit you'll never own. Man, it don't get much more obscure than that.
the coaster.